what's up everybody? Mr. Greenish here. We're in Glassboro, New Jersey right now. So we're at the 19th annual car show and food truck festival. So it looks like there's a lot of cars here to see. So let's go check out some cars. Hey, what's up everyone? So just pointing out that there are actually multiple streets with cars on them. So you got a little nice looking car out here and a whole line of cars over there. And if I turn this camera around over here, you got the street over here with a bunch of cars over there too. So lots to see. Let's go check it out. Hey, check it out, man. So you got this beautiful 1948 Chevy Fleetmaster here in a bright red, really gorgeous looking car. And then right over here, you got a 57 side step pickup here. So two really sharp looking cars here. So really excited to see what else they have here.
Oh, yeah.
And for the members of the Glassboro Borough Council, I have Council President Adam Miller. And Councilman Dan Brown.
Hey, what's up? Check out this Kellison here, Kellison J3. So you've never see any of these, and even trying to look it up, I could barely find any information on this. So what I did find, this is actually a kit car, I think from England, and yeah, I've never seen a car like this before. So this is definitely something really unique, and yeah, great to see here. So I'm really glad I came out for this.
Tell me that you wait for me, hold me like you know, 'cause I believe in be back again, oh baby, like you know, and the time is come for me to you, one more time let me kiss you, close your eyes, I won't have to.
Hey, check it out here. So we got two Corvettes here. So my late father actually loved Corvettes, and I remember back in the day, like he used to race. He did like the straight line races back in the day, and he had a Mustang, and never lost a race. And then he lost to a Corvette, and then he eventually got a Corvette, and he won every race since then. So I thought that was worth pointing out, and to see these two like sharp-looking Corvettes here certainly is brings back nice fond memories. So yeah, great to see her. So check this beautiful 1932 Buick out here. It's stunning. So some of these cars go way, way back. I mean, you got some like cars that we saw kind of from the 80s, 70s, and maybe 60s, 50s, but just seeing something from 30s is really great to see. So awesome.
Later on, like I got. What's what you got?
Look at this guy. check it out, everyone. You got a 1928 Ford Model AA rat rod truck here. Again, there are just so many cars here. There's just really just no way. Let's turn this around here. So we got a whole bunch of cars on this side. You got cars on that side. I mean, there's so many cars here. There's just no way I can get all this in stark detail. So I'm probably just gonna kind of go around and just kind of give like a once over, just get like a general overview of you know, just basically all the cars here, and then maybe just go and get some shorts and stuff like that. So all right, let's get to it. So I just want to point out this 1928 Dodge Dart over here. I could swear this is the same car from South Jersey Classics. I believe it is. But yeah, good to see this car out here. So you got yet another street of cars on both sides to go over. So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty busy day today. But I'm really excited to see all these cars here. So let me turn this camera around here. So I just came from over there. There was another street of cars over there, and again, a wide range of cars. Basically, and you have some of the more modern cars that are kind of 2000, 2010s, kind of up to present day. And then you got like some cars from the 30s as well. So yeah, a lot of stuff.
Watch out, it's coming in. Oh, the grapes are colored.
You know, I gotta point this out, man. Check out the just lime green looking Viper here. This thing is just filthy. This is a nasty car. And there was a guy at my work, Eric. Shout out to you, my man. So hope you're watching this. So he's got like, I think a Gen 1. I think he's got like a Gen 1 Viper in red. But I've never seen one in lime green before. This is freaking nasty. I mean, there's so many cars here. I'm not gonna be able to like go over in detail like all these cars, but this particular one I really want to point out. Especially for my coworker here, because I think he'd love this one. This is just a really special car here.
No, that colorway. That colorway.
Some guys are just going in and
Picture you taking pictures of the car, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
I like the carpet inside, the green carpet. That is. No power steering, no air conditioning, no backup camera, but I'm riding. Thank you, man, for still looking at me.
Come back to me. Let's start telling the wrong thing. Jesus.
Hey, what's up, everybody? So, yeah, this is quite an amazing event. So, I probably spent almost a good, close to 2 hours on that one other street. So now I'm on the this other street that has even more cars. So, yeah, a lot of people here too. So, a little tricky getting footage. So, do the best I can. But hopefully, I got some good stuff for y'all to see. So, all right, let's get this street now.
Who's it driving, bro?
it out. We got this beautiful 1973 Ford pickup in a lime green, very beautiful looking truck, kind of stands out. So I just wanted to get a little solo with this baby here. Yeah, very beautiful ride, but more cars to see.
No, it's gas stove, but it's not the whole top. So fun. That's so fun. That's so fun. But I would have to buy it. Like, I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Like, there's so many boards. Yeah, I'm not using that turbo.
Either way.
Alright everybody, so just got through this one section here. There was actually another section over there, and I think that should be it. I'm anticipating, but there was a good mix of some modern American muscle cars, and you got some like kind of older vintage ones here. So yeah, we're just kind of cruising along here, getting some footage. So yeah, gonna get to the other end over there, and we'll see what they have over there. All right, let's go.
Give me your cup.
So 35th anniversary.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Oh yeah, look. No, actually, this one over here going for me with the little spider on it. Actually, that one. You know you're bluffing. I know. I was about to say, maybe it's like this.
Hey, all right, everybody. So that's a wrap. Yeah, pretty much covered everything now. And yeah, I just couldn't get really stark details of all the cars because there were just so many there. So towards the end, I just tried to get like a general overview of what kind of cars were out here. But yeah, there were just so many different cars. Even here, you can see like this really old school, like kind of stuff from the 30s out here. Then you got this Vet over there with the Lambo doors. So you have quite a variety of different cars out here. But this was really a great event. I think if I could do this again, I probably would do more of an overview of everything. But I think I got some pretty good footage that I'm going to post pretty soon here. So so you look forward to that, and looking forward to attending more shows and getting more footage out there. So yeah, I'd say, hey, just keep following and like and subscribe, and hey, we'll see you next time.